In this video, I want to show you the location of the module that operates the power steering of your Honda Fit 2007, 2008, maybe other models as well. So to access it, first, it's a bit hard, I warn you, okay? You need to remove this panel, simply pull it. It's held by these clips, okay? And over here, you're gonna see this is where the fuse box is located. We'll need to remove it because the module is located behind this. They're really hidden really well. To make it easier, you can remove this plastic panel by unscrewing these. All right, you see this, you can remove it. And if we take a look, the module is right over there. It's hard to see, but that's the module. It's held by three 10mm screws. This is one of them. That's another one. And the third one is hidden by the fuse box. So let's remove the fuse box to show you where the third screw is located. These can be accessible with a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Okay, it's a bit tight, but it's still accessible. But the other one, we absolutely need to remove this thing that is in front. And to remove the fuse box, well, we have a 10mm right over here, and we have on top another 10mm bolt right over there. So that's our first 10mm bolt. And that's our second one over here. Now that we have a bit more space, if I pull the fuse box, you're gonna see the third bolt. Okay, you can see it over there, it's shining. So all you have to do now is try to get to it with a ratchet as well. And after doing this, well, you'll be able to remove the module. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.